Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 8th of July. The euro suffered a loss of another 100 pips against the US dollar on Friday. The single currency weakened against the US peer after the US non-farm payrolls came out better than expected. The euro remains bearish and below 128.20 ahead of the Eurogroup meeting today. The US dollar extended its gains against the Japanese yen, touching its resistance at 101.50. It looks that the rally may continue for a while, and we may see the pair trading above 102 in the near term. Looking at equities, the US 500 made a rally from 1607 all the way up to 1631 on Friday. The unexpected 195,000 additional jobs in the US helped the index to rise even further. It looks that it may continue the upside for a while. The G30 fell from its high of 8037 back to 7805. The testimony of the President of the European Central Bank, Mario Draghi, due at 1:30 GMT may help the index to pare some of its losses. Taking a look at commodities, gold slid from 1244 all the way back up to 128 US dollars per ounce after the NFP release on Friday. The precious metal is under pressure and needs something more to push it higher. WTI crude oil continued its rise and hit a yearly high at $103 per barrel. The political uncertainty in Egypt helped the energy prices to increase even higher. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.20 with a preference to enter in short positions at 129.20. The dollar-yen pivot points at 145 with a preference to enter into long positions at 145. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 0.9120 with a preference to enter in short positions at 0.9120. The sterling dollar pivot points at 150.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 150.15. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 105.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 105.30. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot points at 102 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102. The gold pivot points at 1245 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1245. The silver pivot points at 1940 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1940. The US 500 is at 1606 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1606. And the UK 100 is at 6460 with a preference to enter in short positions at 6460. And watch out for these market movers. At 10 GMT in Europe, we have the German industrial production month-on-month forecast to drop by 0.5%. At 12:30 GMT in Canada, we have the building permits month-on-month forecast to drop by 2.6%. And at 1900 GMT in the US, we have the consumer credit month-on-month expected at 13.2 billion. And our mover and shaker to start the week is the British pound, falling to a 4-month low at 148.57 against the US dollar. The sterling weakened even further against its major counterparts after the new Bank of England Governor Mark Carney showed that aggressive stance in monetary policy. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great week.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.